Is the sheep preaching hate when it says, I'm not going to let the wolf eat me anymore? If the wolf comes in here, next time he comes in here, I'll do whatever I have to do to keep him off my back. Is the sheep violent or is the wolf the violent one? He wasn't teaching hate, he was teaching common sense. You know, somebody's knocking you over the head, stop him. Do whatever you have to do to stop him. You know, the ones that were knocking him over the head were afraid of the fact that he might swing back. So they said, no, he's teaching hate, he's violent.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Worship Podcast. Listen, today we're gonna be checking out the ice Coorel. All right, we're gonna be definitely checking it out, seeing what it's about, seeing how it looks, all of that good stuff. Right, this is a monitor and laptop riser, a bit of an upgrade for the Worship Podcast. Just makes things a little bit easier for me. Without further ado, let's go check it out, y'all. So yeah, it has the power button right there. As you can see, of course, the compartment where you can place your phone, and also the hidden compartment right here where you can place other material and other items, okay? You can close that compartment, that drawer. On the back, there's the power outlet, right? This is what you're gonna be able to connect to and connect it into your desktop, laptop, or whatever you're using. That's the output, okay? So yeah, we have the foldable legs right here, unfoldable legs and foldable right here, as you can see, and boom, it sits up really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing all plugged in and get it operational, and then we're gonna come back and take a look. All right, just give me a sec. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. Actually looks good with the RGB lighting, things like that. Looks like it's pretty well lit. As well as you can see, got the power mode on here. Got the drawer open there. Now, the way that this thing actually connects is by using a USB right into the laptop or desktop, whatever you're using. It uses a USB. You might need an adapter. Let's say if you got a C port, then if I were to open this up here, you might need one of these dongles or adapters to go into C type, you know, for you Mac users out there as well. I love Mac. You know, I currently don't have one as of yet, but in the future I will get one. The microphone itself does not work with this board, so you won't receive sound to be able to travel through here. So it's good to have to free up one of the USB ports so you can have not only your thumb drive, but also your wireless mouse connected as well without any problems. As you can see, it is fully functional and my thumb drive works through it as well. If I were to pull it up here, my thumb drive is here and it is fully functional. Whereas before, I could not have this thumb drive connected. So now the thumb drive is connected and I can be able to utilize it plus my hard drive, my external hard drive that I have connected here as well. So now I got both ways. I got both thumb drive and hard drive to where now they're both connected to my laptop and I don't have to worry about disconnecting in order to reconnect my microphone, which I only have a USB port here and a USB port here. So that made it a little more difficult. Now I have 4 extra for any other for thumb drives I need to connect, as well as anything else wireless that I need to connect to my setup, okay? So that makes it a lot better. And that is my current situation. Now I'm gonna clean up a lot of these wires. These are just, you know, not even important, but I'm gonna clean up a lot of these wires and things just to get it looking better, right? Get it looking a little more professional, a little better. However, that's for for the most part, that's pretty much how it looks, y'all. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, just kind of showing you guys how this riser looks and how it actually looks really nice, and it keeps everything nice and organized, gives you a few more USB ports to be able to utilize, and it gets it gets you a little bit more elevated, right? To where you can be able to work a little bit more at eye level. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the looks of it. It actually looks pretty nice here. And hey, we'll see you guys in the next unboxing, unpacking video, okay? I like to do this for a lot of my upgrades that I'm going to be doing to the podcast. Of course, the Worksheet podcast is what we're doing, and I like to do some upgrades just to make it a little easier for me to work. So that's what I typically want to do. So as I continue to upgrade my parts, I'll do an unboxing video, show you guys what I've upgraded. And then you guys tell me what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, y'all. And if this really helped you out to see what how it what it looks like. Pretty soon I'm going to be getting a monitor here, so I'm going to do another unboxing so you guys can see it with a monitor on top of it rather than the laptop. The laptop's a little bit wider or lengthwise a little longer, so it's like, it's a little different. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff, right? Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of different faith-based content. A lot of it, of course, this is the Worksheet podcast, so we do come after individuals or people, right, who are in the position of leadership within churches, and we come and we expose their hypocrisy, okay? So this is the Worksheet podcast. That's what I do, as well as giving you guys, sharing information with you guys about the scriptures and giving you words of encouragement, as well as what we should be doing moving forward as Christ followers or believers in the Messiah, as the chosen ones here. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts is about the Ice Coorel, right, computer riser that gives you a few more RGB ports. You got an RGB lighting on that joint, and it just helps you elevate and raise everything up. And honestly, it makes everything look a little cleaner. You know what I mean? Makes things look a little cleaner, a little bit more professional. Okay. Let me know what your thoughts is in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. All right. This is your boy Barack. Peace and shalom.